me give you a quick pro tip here. So when you're setting up your units, you always want to pay attention to which way your plumbing goes in and out. There's little arrows right here on the back side of these units. So we know this unit right here is our iron breaker. It's going to remove the iron and sulfur out of the water. Your water has to come from your well through this unit first, then through your softener and back to the home. So you want to set yourself up the easiest you can for plumbing. Your inlet here, outlet of the iron breaker. This is going to come across to the inlet of the softener, and the outlet of the softener will go straight to the plumbing to the home. If you get them backwards, it's not a big issue, but it's going to cause you a lot more grief in plumbing.